Beliefs. In terms of beliefs, they play a very important role, and obviously a financial life too. What you believe about money, what you believe about debt, in general, life as well. But in here, I'm gonna give some context of some beliefs and useful beliefs. It can be a big subject by itself, but I'm gonna cover just enough so you get the gist of it, the most important beliefs. The first belief is believe that you can figure out, believe that you can get through this storm you are in, believe that you can get to where you want to go. Because if you don't, then you probably won't do anything about it. You probably are in denial or something like that. But if you're willing and you're already doing some side hustle or some weekend work or something, you're putting some effort, then you probably already believe it. So at that level, you probably already have this level belief. If you don't, that's why I'm giving you just in case, because sometimes you may not know what you don't know. So the first belief is believing in yourself in a way, because that's a belief. It's one of the very valuable belief. Now it can apply in multiple things in your life, like health or other things too. But in the context of your finances, believing in yourself to figure out, believing in yourself to get the handle on it and take steps to be better and solve the things where you are in is the most valuable belief. I would not trade my belief in myself for even millions of dollars, because without that belief, I'm not the same person. So believing in yourself, in your ability, even if you don't have, you can figure it out. You can learn the how. You can get some help, get some coaching. There are many ways, but regardless, believing in yourself is the most valuable belief. So a simple way is to see you're taking this training. You probably already believe it, but in a way, I'm just giving an extra perspective. Believing in yourself is the most belief probably you want to keep.